Howdy y'all, and welcome to Farmhouse Teas. Today we're going to share with you why we have decided to build a grow light system for our tomato and pepper seeds. Hey you all, welcome to Farmhouse Teas. If you are new here, my name is CeAnne and I am the co-owner with my husband, the farmer, here at Farmhouse Teas. And today we thought we would share with you why we have decided to set up a grow light system for some of our seeds. So this is our 42-foot long polytunnel hoop house greenhouse. And for those of you who have been at our channel for some time, you have seen this change, be full of plants, and watch us take harvest out of here and to set up our pea trellises. And you have also seen it look like this sometimes, where it is worn out and tattered and needs to be cleaned up. Now we face some challenges here in the hoop house greenhouse, and one of those big challenges is getting seeds started inside. So most people have greenhouses so they can do that, and in our hoop house here we really struggle with that because we have raised beds in here, and raised beds can be prone to ant nests along with other pests when you have a covered area like this. And so a lot of our seeds struggle because the ants will come and carry them off and eat them, take them to their nests. We really struggle with keeping them out of our seeds as they are growing. And the other problem we have in here is that it is not quite warm enough for certain plants like peppers and tomatoes. So those are the major reasons we are going to build a grow light system in our garage, and hopefully we can get some tomatoes and peppers going in there and not have to buy the starts because they're super expensive, but so is replanting them 3 and 4 times and not getting much out of them. So last year we experimented with getting one of the regular kitchen baker's shelves, just a small one, and putting it on our front porch, and we grew a lot of seeds that way because the ants are not over there on the front porch. It's made out of cement. It gets a lot of southward facing sun, and that actually didn't do too bad for a lot of the cold weather crops. But when it came to our warm weather stuff, it just was not warm enough on the porch to be able to get those to grow. And so we had moved the shelf inside the house and put it near the sliding glass window, a south-facing window. It was the spot that had the most sun. So while it was warmer to put the shelf inside by the window, there wasn't quite enough light for the plants, and so the tomatoes and the peppers, they got really tall and spindly, and they never really grew a whole lot of root and turned into anything substantial. And it took a lot of time and a lot of replanting. So we're gonna head on into the garage and see what the farmer has rigged up for this year's attempt at growing our peppers and our tomato seeds.
Is that thing on?
Yep.
I got my farmer boots on.
That's good.
Ready to kick some mud. Something. I want to go check my stump first.
Okay. Check the stump. How's it going?
It's going.
Are you ready for our other project?
Yeah. What you can't see from there is, like, there's a big hole right in there where it's burning right down inside.
They'll have to watch on the next video for the hole inside.
Yeah, Patrick's got me some footage going of that little project, so doesn't look like much from here, but it's actually burning pretty hot inside the stump, so kind of cool. So we're doing something a little different this year, aren't we?
Yep.
Instead of trying to start seeds out in our greenhouse, we're going to try starting them in the garage. And we have some reasons why, because the greenhouse is kind of a mess. It really needs to be repaired and fixed up. A lot of mold and stuff growing in there. And the garden's a huge, soupy, muddy mess. And we want to get some plants growing before May, like last year. So we're going to try starting inside. But we ordered some mats and some lights, and we're just going to try starting seeds. So that's what we got. That's what we're going to put together. We're going to assemble it all here, put seed trays on it. plug back here. There it is. See if I can do some acrobatics here.
Farm yoga.
Yeah.
Can he do it?
I don't know if I can.
Oh no, where you need a little person. It's farmer yoga. Sideways farmer pose.
Okay. There we go. Looks like I gave myself just enough room here. Oh no!
You got the hook on the plug on the wrong side.
Great. This is supposed to be the easy part.
Oh, it's on.
It worked.
There's light.
I might have to do something to...
So show me what you just did.
Okay. So here on the end of the light, there's two different plug-in slots.
Okay.
Yep, so this one goes to the wall, plugs in there, and then to hook the next light up, you got that one, and then you just bring that end up, hook it into there.
And you can keep going forever and ever and ever.
Yep, you can just keep going.
That's sweet. So if we wanted to go totally CeAnne on this thing, we would get about 10 more lights.
Yeah, kind of like canning jars. Canning jars, toilet paper, grow lights.
We would get about 10 more lights and 10 more heat mats, and this thing would light up the whole city.
We're not in the city.
That's how many lights we would have.
You start small and perfect it, and then you go big.
Thanks for joining us on the farm today, and if you haven't already, make sure that you watch our video on our little revamp redo of our farm for 2021. Catch that video right over here. We'll catch you next time. Bye.